Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on the Ulta Beauty website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ulta.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Ulta website. Now from this page, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the join/sign in or the account icon at the top right corner and then use your credentials to log into your account. After you log in, you will be taken into the home page from which you will also find the account icon at the top right. Now if you wish to change your phone number, simply click on this account icon and you will see the manage account button. Click on this option and now you will be taken into your account settings page. From this page, you can click on the edit button at the right side of your personal info section and you will be able to edit your personal information. Now within your mobile number section, if you already have a phone number, you can just click on the arrow key at the right side and change your phone number, or if you don't have one, you can also click on the same option and add your phone number. After clicking on this option, go ahead and type in your phone number and then click on the save button. You will then receive a text notification with a verification code within your phone that you will need to type within the next screen to finally verify and add your phone number. Just go ahead and enter the code and click on the next button, and now your phone number will be added or changed if you want it to be changed. And you can come back to this menu at any time and click on the arrow button at the right side of your phone number to change it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your phone number on the Ulta Beauty website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.